Yep. Okay. Okay, all good, all good. No worries. Just leave it with me. I'm gonna start doing my checks. I have one fault code in the engine control module for the automatic shutdown relay. Now I'm pretty sure this ASD relay on Jeep, Chryslers, that this relay powers up the coils, the injectors. So got 0 volts on the injector harness. So that suggests that the fault code is not lying, that there's a problem with this ASD relay. So we're going to perform a visual inspection of that relay next. So pins 1 and 2 is my control side of this relay. So on one of these pins, I should have power there. So 1 and 2, on one of those pins, I should have power there. So I'm going to confirm that. And I do. I got power on this one, meaning the other side should be a ground. Takes a little bit of time, but I promise you I'll figure it out. I promise you, don't worry, no stress. So I'm on the ground side. Okay, start. I should see 12 here. Okay, off, okay. Now all good, stop, all good. So this computer is not controlling this relay. So between the PCM wire to the relay, I do have continuity. As you can see, it beeps. So I don't have a broken wire there. So I've just given it a full ground, and now we've got voltage on our injectors. Okay, my friend, start it up. You're gonna see it starts. So computer no good.
It's like now, what now?
It works now because I've done something to make it work, but it's only a temporary fix because I know the computer's no good.
Okay, you leave it there, computer gone.
Yeah.
Easy.
Okay,
Maybe
okay.
cheaper. Maybe he fix. Okay,
Yeah, okay, no worries.